What's up guys, Deron here bringing you another video. But before I get more into the video, I want everyone to comment below their 3 most recent emojis. So in this video, I will be showing you how to get the iOS 12.1 emojis on your Android device, as well as how to get the different skin tones for the emojis. With that said, let's get this video started. First, I'm going to show you guys my current emojis. So I'm going to open my keyboard. So as you can see, these are my current emojis. We're going to change these emojis to the iOS 12.1 emojis. Now you want to go to your settings, scroll down to security, and ensure unknown sources is enabled. Once unknown sources is enabled, you want to click the link in the description below and it will take you to my website. From there you can download the Noto color emojis file. Once it is downloaded, you then want to go to the Google Play Store and you want to search for ES File Explorer. Now you want to install it on your device. Once it is installed, you can go ahead and open it. So the first thing you want to do is go to the menu by selecting here, then scroll down to Root Explorer, and you want to enable Root Explorer by selecting the toggle. Keep in mind you will need to root your device in order to enable Root Explorer. Once you have Root Explorer enabled, you want to go to your internal storage, then go to the root directory where you will have access to your system files. You then want to go to the system folder, then go to fonts, and we're going to make a copy of the Noto color emoji TrueType font file, just in case you want to go back to your previous emojis. So hold it down on it, then select more, then select copy to, and choose the folder where you want to back up this file. I made a folder called backup font, so I'm going to select that folder, then select OK. Now that the file is back up, you want to tap on the back button to get back to the internal storage. Then go to the download folder. Now hold it down on the file, then select more, then select copy to. Now go back to the root directory and find the system folder. Then select the fonts folder. Now select OK. You will then need to grant ES File Explorer root access in order to copy the file to this folder. Then select Overwrite. Once the file is copied to the fonts folder, we will need to reboot our device. Now that the device is rebooted, I am going to show you guys the iOS 12.1 emojis. So I'm going to open my keyboard and now we have the iOS 12.1 emojis. But as you can see, we cannot change the skin tone if we hold it down on the emoji. If I hold it down on the emoji, I should be able to change the skin tone. So now I'm going to show you how to get the different skin tones for the emojis. What you need to change the skin tone is the correct keyboard. So the keyboard that I'm going to show you is the Google keyboard. You can go to the Google Play Store and search for Gboard. Then go ahead and install it on your device. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open it. Select Enabling Settings, then use the toggle to enable Gboard, then select OK. Select Input Method and choose Gboard. Now select Set Permissions, then select Done. Now you should be able to see the new iOS 12.1 emojis. I'm going to select some of the new emojis. As well as you should be able to change the skin tones on the emojis. So if I find one of the emoji that is able to change skin tones and hold it down on it, as you can see, I am able to change the skin tone, and now we have the new iOS 12.1 emojis. Now if you want to go back to your previous emojis, you want to go back to ES File Explorer, go to the folder where you made the backup of your previous emojis. For me, that is the backup font folder. You want to hold it down on the file, select More, then copy to. Now go back to where you can access the system files, then find the system folder. Go to Fonts and select OK. Then select Overwrite. Now you should have your previous emojis. So I'm going to reboot my device to show you that I now have my previous emojis. I am now going to open my keyboard and as you can see, I have my previous emojis. So if you did enjoy this video, then remember to smash the thumbs up button, and if it is your first time here, then you do want to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.